This tutorial provides an overview of the process involved in using QA4MOBiLE for the compliance and quality assurance testing of a mobile laser scanning acquisition. The software automates a set of common checks which simplifies and standardizes the QA process and increases efficiencies for both the contracting agency and MLS provider. Contracting agencies can use QA4MOBiLE to easily perform standard independent compliance and QA testing on their MLS data to ensure providers are delivering data that meets the specification before the project is signed off and completed. MLS providers can also use this tool and supply the standard QA report produced by the tool to the contracting agency as part of the project delivery. QA4MOBiLE is based on the Queensland Department of Transport and Main Roads MLS Technical Guideline, which you can see on the right. So it has a lot of specifications and requirements within it. The first step for the contracting agency is to create the tender acquisition specification for their project based on that guideline. They then need to summarize their specification using the QA4MOBiLE form editor tender form, which you can now see on the right. This is a condensed form version of the full specification and allows the software to automatically extract project requirements and check the MLS delivery complies. As you can see, it is simple to complete with tick boxes and drop-down menus. So these documents should then be supplied to the MLS provider. The next step is for the MLS provider to acquire the data and supply it to the contracting agency along with the QA4MOBiLE form editor report form, which looks like, as you can see on the right. This form enables the software to check the project results against the requirements. It is similar to the tender form and simple to complete. So at this stage, there is also the option for the provider to run the QA4MOBiLE automated checks and supply the final QA report in addition to their own checks and other deliverables. However, if the contracting agency is going to conduct the checks, once the data has been delivered to the contracting agency, they can then check the supplied data using QA4MOBiLE. So the user creates a QA4MOBiLE project and session. So this is the software. I'll use a project I've previously created, create a new session, and here we provide the tender and report form that we've created and saved. And confirm. And we need to supply the datum, projection and zone. So once the project is created and the necessary information supplied to the software, so there's also some user settings if you have to provide an output and working directory. But then step 4 is running the checks. So it's simply a matter of ticking the checks that you wish to run and clicking start. Then step 5, QA4MOBiLE generates a standard QA report with pass-fail compliance and numerical results for each check. That can be accessed via the results and report section here. So you can see what the results look like associated to the project, and there should be results for every session. So this is the session we're looking at the moment, and you can see the compliance pass or fails and other information as required. So you can also click on any failed row to see detailed fail information for that row, and you can also access further supporting output files as well as print the report to PDF using the export to PDF button. So if data fails, the contracting agency can supply the QA report back to the MLS provider to assist with resupply of data. Resupplied data should be checked again using the software, and if data passes all the checks, it can be considered accurate, reliable and fit for use. So thank you for watching this QA4MOBiLE overview tutorial. For other tutorials, please visit the QA4MOBiLE YouTube channel.